welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to talk about rendering. Yep, rendering. About rendering. Yep, rendering. So yeah, of course you need your camera. I wonder where my camera. Oh yeah. Oh, it's because my What the hell did I just do? Okay. It's because my download is really small and my camera is really far. So if you look at my camera, it will let you render this. So first of all, I need to get my position. So where I want my my camera to be. Yeah, looks good. So if I do that, and then I press Control Alt number pad 0. Wait, Control Alt number pad 0. Okay, I have to render that. So Control Alt. And now you can you can move your camera by selecting your camera and pressing G on the keyboard. We'll change the camera and stuff later. We'll do it later. Now the camera size is bugging me. Yep, it always happens to me. It's like really annoying. So if we go to camera properties, selecting camera, yeah, you should know that. Viewport display, change the size. Yeah, it won't change anything. It's the same. Yeah, nothing really changed. Yeah, so nothing really changed. Now, wait, I should turn off this. If we render this image, you should know how to render. You don't have to go in your camera. I do it, I don't know. Press F12 on your keyboard, or you can go render animation, or render image. That's what I meant. Render. I'm just gonna press, it even shows you a hotkey, F12 here. So press F12 on your keyboard, and this is what you're gonna get. If when you render, you're in render mode. To go to render mode, so you can move around in render mode, you can go here. Yeah. And now is a good time to do this. I really like to do this right now. So well, I should change this to where's the light? Where's the light gone? Yeah. Another hotkey is, yeah, if you do Alt G. Wait. Probably here. Yeah. So that's good. And you'll see the power is boom. So, to change the power, oh yeah, you're already in line. You just change the power down. Let me just get my mouse right and change it down to something. Whoa, sheesh. Change it to something reasonable. Oh, 30. That's gonna be good. Now what we need to, let me just. No, I hate this when it does this. Okay. Now that we've done the lighting, let's talk about render engines. If we go to render, if we go to render thing, you'll see the render engine is currently is Eevee. There's tons of render engines. But in Blender, there's only Eevee and Cycles. Now, Workbench, I actually have no idea what this. I just never use Workbench. It's like I don't know. It's like basically solid view mode. Like in Workbench, there's only solid view mode. There's no shading mode. So I don't know. But if we go to Cycles, it's way different. Like way different. Now, depending on your hardware, it's pretty slow for me because if we go to Edit, Preferences, go to System. I'm using CPU right now, and my GPU is way faster. Like, way faster. I wonder what that does. CUDA is like CUDA and optics. HIP, I have no idea. Yep. So I'm just gonna use optics. If you're wondering what the differences between all of these is, none is basically CPU. You're using a CPU. CUDA is. No. First, I start with optics. Optics is like a newer version, newer GPU thing. CUDA is older, so yeah. So I'm just gonna use optics, and you'll see it's like changed a bit. My GPU is. My hardware is. Oh yeah. Okay. Now that we've done that, oh yeah. I should change my dot. Yeah, like up here. Okay, I'm just changing the size. Oh yeah, by the way, if you didn't know how I did that, I just selected the camera by pressing this line, and then GZ, and then yeah. You can edit your camera. You can put it any way you want. I just want to put it here, near the Z axis. I don't know. Yeah, but. Some people like Eevee more than Cycles. I like Cycles, but I already made a donut tutorial on Cycles, so I'm gonna use Eevee today. Now on Eevee, it's like way faster. Like, dude, look at that. Wait, am I upside down? No. I keep on getting confused if I'm upside down like this or I'm like this. Doesn't matter. Okay. Now, let me show the difference between Eevee and Cycles. Cycles is like more realistic than Eevee, so I'll show you. If I add mesh, and this is actually part of the tutorial. Control Z. I actually, I don't like the axes, like intersecting to my donut. It's like, I don't know, it's really annoying. Selecting a donut first and then icing. If we do Control P, object keep control. Oh yeah, yep. So now that we parented it, gotta put it above the axis. Just a bit lower, there. Finally, now, if we add our mesh, the plane, you'll see it's like this. Now, I'll show you the difference between Eevee and I'll just scale this down. Okay, so, the donut, so in Cycles, if we look in Cycles, I'm not in render mode, sorry. It's like really, really realistic. Like, look at that shadow. And watch this. Bruh, what the hell is going on here? It's like look at the jagged lines. It's like, yeah. Like, if we look in Cycles, it's like more light here, like it's bouncing off the plane or table, and like it's more lighter here. But in Eevee, oh man. So all we have to do is some tweaking. Yeah. First, of course, is the shadows. The shadow is very, very, very weird. So you want to change the no, not the cascade. That's for like the sunlight, and cube size is for other light. So if you change this to this illusion, you should turn that up as well. Yeah. By the way, if you're using cycles, if you're following my other tutorial, in cycles you can press the denoise, and boom, there's no graininess. But I'm a cycles guy, but for this tutorial I'm just gonna use Eevee. So now if we go to no. Where's the light? Yeah. If you go to light. Oh yeah. So now let's talk about what was that? Okay. The cascade size is supposed to be this. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. Now let's talk about plane. No. Selecting your icing. Now if we press new, we're gonna talk about this. We're gonna change our I should stop saying okay? Base color. I'm gonna set this up here, and you can do whatever color you want. For this video, I'm gonna do pink. Oh yeah, that's a good color. By the way, if you want to get the same color as me, just type up this in your hex value in your base color. Type up EA93FF using capital letters, okay? If you want to get the same color as me. So, yeah. Type in that. And, like, you want people to, want to, you want, people to, see it, the donut, and they're like, oh, yummy, delicious, like that. And it's kind of getting boring now, so stop getting too boring. So I'm gonna change the roughness. If we change the roughness really high, you'll see it's like Play-Doh. No reflections like that. Now I'm gonna make my thing. Wait. I'm gonna change my roughness really low. Wait, if I just turn that a bit up. Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. And roughness, some people call roughness gloss. Roughness and gloss have invert, yeah, I know. If we go to cycles, I'm just showing this on cycles. You can see this, can you see this reflection thing? Yeah, that's in cycles, because cycles is a different render engine, which is more realistic. But in Eevee, thank goodness, it's not yet. Yeah. So we need to again turn some things on. First, we need to do this. Now it's there. We do not need motion blur. Who needs motion blur? We're not doing animations right now. We might do animations, I don't know. Bloom, we need to turn bloom on. It's you can change the threshold. I don't know what this threshold does. If we turn the threshold really down, it becomes so light, but then becomes so pops out of the scene. Wait, what happened? I'm just gonna turn that. This looks good to me. I don't know. I don't have no idea what bloom does. Intensity. Probably that. Clamp. I still have no idea. Probably gonna turn that up. And radius, I have no idea. Just gonna do that. Yeah. And now let's do the other materials. So new. Now we're not gonna put roughness on this, on the donut, because that will, dude. That's just gonna look weird. Yep. I'm gonna change this to like something reasonable. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna change my camera to this. So Control Alt 0. Yeah. Oh, sorry. No. Selecting the camera. I know I have to do changes. Yeah. Yeah. So now, no. Now selecting this, we got the base color. If you want to get the same base colors as me, again, get my same hex value. Let me show that clearly. Pause the video and get this hex value. Now, I'm gonna change the plane. The plane I'm probably gonna use, I don't know, blue, I guess. Somebody change the, oh yeah, if you want to get the same hex value, you can type in that. Now, I'm gonna now talk it like if you look in, if you check in your ear, like in a mirror, and you put sunlight in your ear, it becomes red, and you can see, kind of see through it, kind of. So we want that in our donut, because our donut looks like it's hard. It's made out of concrete. So to do that, subsurf. Yeah, I know, subsurf. I'm gonna change my subsurf to 0.1. Now our donut icing will become lighter and more see-through. So now it doesn't matter if it's like that. We'll fix that right now. The subsurf radius. Now. What's up with that? That's like the thing that edits the scattering around. So when we want to, if you want to know why these three, it's for the colors red channel, green channel, and blue channel. So we want to change all of these. So I'm gonna. By the way, if you wanna select all of these and type in, you can drag down. No. That. And then type in wherever you want. I'm gonna type in 0.002. So 0.002. And there you go. Yup. So in our next video, we're gonna talk about whatever is gonna be in the next video. So subscribe, like, and hit that bell if you want to see more content I bring in. Whatever. Bye bye, my mans.